This is the start of the vlog. I'm gonna try to vlog tomorrow, Sunday and Monday for the places I'm going, which are Michigan's Adventure, Mount Olympus, and back to Six Flags for their Tsunami Surge, and some other little parks. So, well, I guess the next time you'll see me, I'll be at the park or in line to get in. Alright, so for first ride of my day, I did Superman. And I just got off Dark Knight, where every effect was actually on. Superman's definitely moving up. It's right now my 6th favorite because it did back row, and back row is crazy. This is so much better than anywhere else on it. Now I'm gonna do Hangover because I want the flat ride. Even though I really don't like Larson loops that much. Because it's raining, the Larson loop isn't open. So now I'm going to Batman. Or Goliath. So I want Goliath. Goliath's closed. Probably for weather. I'm going to do Batman. Oh, because I've seen it around a couple times. Park's absolutely dead, and I'm getting rickrolled. Joke's on them, I actually kind of like it. So, yeah, I cut out early. This is going to be the end for the vlog. I didn't film an outro there for some unknown reason.